So the question is like where exactly the chakras are located in the physical body. If you say that in this domain, you know, chakras are located somewhere like this. If you see this thing from, if you see like this, so it is in between. It's not exactly on the spine. You know, see, the spine is somewhere here. It's not on the spine. It's just a connection that, you know, it's in between. Okay. So if you see like this, so the chakra, the position of the root chakra is at the just exactly at the bottom, but it's not on located on the spine. It's in between. That I already showed you. So this is the root chakra, and then between the root and the sacral chakra is sitting that Kundalini power. This is 3.5 rounds it has taken. It is sitting over there, dormant power. Normally it is not activated in anybody. But when you start doing some kind of meditation or other, this dormant power gets activated and it starts moving up. And when it starts moving up, it first of all, you have to work on the root chakra that we did just now. We did work on the root chakra just now, and it will start rotating. Once this will start rotating, it will give power to the Kundalini. If you want to look, if you want, so there is a specific power which is required to activate the Kundalini Shakti. If you are a pure person, I mean, most of the time you eat pure, you stay pure, your thoughts are not corrupted, the Kundalini start rising along with the root chakra only, as we did just now. Some of you have felt this activation in the Kundalini as well. You know, it start activating like this, and you will feel a constant flow of energy from bottom to the top. So it goes like this. It goes to the sacral chakra. It goes to the Manipura. Then along with that, it keeps on going. It keeps on rotating. Wherever the power will go, it will rotate that. The problem is the way it is being shown like this in this animation. You know, it going from root to sacral is not so easy because there are lots and lots of negative energy sitting out there because of our bad karmas. For example, if a person has been negative thinking about others sexually, I'm sorry to say this, but it's a fact. If somebody has done something sexually wrong to someone, this chakra will not get activated. So that person will most of the time stay in the root chakra only. He or she may not feel beyond this thing. So it will stuck there. In the next birth, you know, because of this, the blockages are there. And most of the people who are who give physical pain to others in one birth, as a result of the karma, they stuck here. So these chakras, they seem to be very easily rotating in this animation, but actually they are very difficult to rotate. And fortunate enough that you are able to do it, that simply means most of your karmas have gone from there, and you are able to feel that. It's excellent. If you're able to rotate even one chakra thoroughly, the root chakra is excellent. Is excellent. And if that happens, and the kundalini keeps going like this, and this, and this, and finally it goes to the third eye, there you feel the chanting of Om, or the snake picture, or Lord Shiva, or finally from there it rises to the crown chakra, and it goes like a lotus. So the lotus, which is like blooming like this, and is so beautiful, and this is where we are all trying to reach the crown chakra, and we are trying to connect these two along with the spinal cord. You know, this connection is like this. The connection is in between, you know, here. I think you should be able to understand that.